This one's all. And now we are going to start painting the waterfall picture. First, you need the color blue, which we have on the palette, and green, yellow, and silver. So first we'll start with the waterfall. Take the biggest brush you have, and then use the blue on the palette, and make the waterfall go down right on the page and into the corner. Now that you've created the waterfall, you might have to thicken it a little bit and make it wider. So add more blue onto the sides and more blue onto the other side as well. After you've done that waterfall, slowly add the silver on top. Make sure you don't put too much so it doesn't look like grey. After you've done the waterfall and the coating with silver, then add the grass with some little specks of green. Done the green spots. Usually, waterfall does not stay at the same place, so sometimes the water goes out. That's why you have to put drops on the edge to make it look real.
Mommy, look up. I think some water does.
After you've created the basic things in your picture, add the sun at the top corner.